used up. And then Princess Joe.
Go see your brother. Hi, Hideo. What's he doing? Go see. I think he's cold. Why don't you go share your blanket with him?
Okay. I can totally grow. Hideo, here's a blanket. Here's a blanket. No, Hideo, no, 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 no,
Okay, give me your blanket. You're being so nice.
Okay, Hideo don't want it anymore.
No, okay.
Okay, Hideo, here you go.
That's not a blanket at all. Miko, you look like a plumber. You look like a plumber.
On the picky. No one to pick me up with another hand.
Why can't you